Good, everybody, welcome to today's video. I got a Murray snowblower. It's an 824. We got electric start. And what the problem is, electric start won't turn over or will barely turn over and just buzzes. So we're going to take it apart and see if it's worthwhile fixing or just buy a cheap aftermarket one to throw in for now. Let's have a look. We got it plugged in right now. This is what happens when you press the button. All we hear is a buzz as if something's jamming. So upon inspection here, there's 3 bolts holding the case together, and then the drive. In case anybody's curious, it's a Tecumseh starter 37,000 is the number. These are some long screws. Feels like something is binding up inside. That's kind of how it feels. So let's... Oh yeah, she smells cooked in there. As soon as I open this up, yeah, she smells cooked. So this is quick and easy to determine what the issue is. You guys can't smell it, but as soon as I took that back cover off, the stench was unbelievable. We're gonna look and you can see the burn marks right there, but the real problem is it's with the brush holder. See, the brush holder has melted and these 2 parts have broken off. You can see the burn marks on the back of the case. So that is what failed this unit, is that the brush holder failed, and because the brush holder failed, that's why the starter motor is gone now. You could take a chance and risk it by ordering a new brush holder, but you don't know if there's any damage to this part or this part. For me anyways, brush holder with shipping be about $50–$60, or buy a brand new starter for $130 and not have to worry about it. Because once you start buying parts, if you buy the parts and they don't work, then you're spending more money. For what it's worth, I don't think it's worth repairing. So I'm just going to get a new one. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have problems with your electric starter, that could be one of the issues right there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.